Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of Ahhhsoneo and I am doing my giveaway. I have a small little giveaway, a token of my appreciation to everybody who's been a part of this channel for the many years that I've been on YouTube. So please, this is just from me to you guys. Thank you. So who am I? My name is Neo. I have this channel here on YouTube. I like to do beauty videos, although it's been a while, but I'm gonna get my mojo back. And then I like to do luxury hauls or unboxings and chatty videos, let's talk luxury, etc. So April is a special month for me. It's the month that many years ago I decided to pull the trigger and start a YouTube channel, which I think was like my makeup collection, because I was watching all these makeup collection videos and the problem started as a tiny little addiction. And then it's also my birthday month in April, and so I thought this would be a good time to share everything. So I did put a posting a couple of months ago on I think Instagram or maybe YouTube, I don't know, but I did a poll like, hey, if I was to do a giveaway, what would you guys be interested in? And the feedback that came back was a black owned brand giveaway. So I picked up a few goodies that I am going to go ahead and share with you guys in this giveaway. It's a small giveaway, but it's just a token of my appreciation for everyone who's been following my channel for many years now. So let's just get to it, and then I'll tell you guys the rules. There is a Pat McGrath Labs lipstick. This is, and everything is new and untouched, so I won't open the packets. Basically, I'll just show you guys what's inside. But this is, what is this one? Lady Stardust. I think it's like a neutral toned color. Yeah. So I've got that. I thought I had another Pat McGrath lipstick. Yes. And then I have two lipsticks from Proper Beauty, which is a brand that I just recently discovered, another black owned brand. And this is Driven, which is a beautiful dark color, and Finesse. Oops. Every time I try to open these boxes, I rip them apart. So I'm going to leave those ones alone so that you get them nice and brand new and looking good. Next, I have an item from Beauty Bakery. This is the Better Not Bitter Coffee and Cacao palette, which I think is like a highlight palette. Like that. Highlight and blush palette. Really stunning. Wanted to share that. And then I have Juvia's Place, which is one of my absolute favorite eyeshadow brands. This one is the Nubian Glow. It's a set that comes like this, so I think those are lipsticks, and then this is, what is this? Eyeshadow palettes. And then another Juvia's Palace, because they have these amazing sets, you guys, that are really great. And this includes, oops. Yeah, I can't open it. Trying. 3 of their mini palettes are inside of here. So it's a really good little setup there. So yeah, it's just a few makeup items from some of my favorite brands, not just favorite black owned brands, but favorite brands, period. And this is what you'll get. There'll also maybe be some surprise goodies added to that, to whoever the winner is, for whoever the winner is. So again, just wanted to say thank you for everyone who's commented over the years, subscribed, you know, shared a video, all of that good stuff. I've really had a lot of fun on YouTube over the last many years, and I just wanted to share that excitement, my excitement with you guys, and say thank you for supporting my channel all these years. It's really simple. All you have to do to be entered is to leave a comment below saying enter me, and then I'm going to do a random you know, you pull, everyone will be assigned a number, and then I'll do a random pull, and whoever is picked will be the winner. You do have to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also to my Instagram channel. If you are also subscribed to Instagram, that will give you 2 entries. And then also very simple, your subscription must be open. I should be able to confirm that you are subscribed, please. Thank you. And the winner will be notified via Instagram, since I don't know how to email people here, but I'll figure that out, how to contact you. But the winner will be contacted, and that will probably happen in early May. Okay, so I'm thinking maybe like May 2nd. Yeah, giveaway will stop April 30th, and the winner will be contacted by May 2nd. So yeah, this will be really, really cool, you guys. I just really wanted to say thank you. Very easy. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel, or be subscribed to my Instagram, or both, for an extra entry. And just comment down below. Enter me. Keeping it simple. And yep. If you are an international winner and you end up winning, and I send these things to you, which I'm willing to do, but once they leave the US, I will take no liability. Sorry, I will not. I will mark it as gift, but if you have to pay taxes on your end, then I apologize for that. I will not be responsible for that. Also, I am not affiliated with any of the brands that I will be giving away. These are items that were bought with my own money, and I just wanted, again, as a token of my appreciation for you guys. So if you're US based, then everything will be included, but since there's no liquid products, I'm willing to ship internationally. But again, once I've shipped, then that's, you know, that's where my liability ends. Anyway, so yeah, that's just all my little writings there. But yeah, so good luck. Thumbs up the video, and keep watching Ahhhsoneo, and thank you so much for your support. I know you guys are choosing happiness in these challenging times, because what else are you gonna do? Be miserable? Why? Choose happiness, guys. It's a choice you get to make. Make the right choice for you. Thank you. Thank you.